Dump truck.
Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, it's a nice slide. What's next?
Let's build a fire truck together.
Bye. Are you ready?
First, we put on the front part.
Cool. What's next?
Then, we assemble the body and the base.
Amazing! Hey, you!
Finally, we install the wheels.
Nice! Cool!
Fire truck.
Thank you very much.
Great job! The fire truck is ready.
Hi, guys! Are you ready? Okay.
Now it's time for training.
Here! Look at this! What's next?
Huh?
Okay. Who is next? Wow! Are you ready? Let's go! Cool! Open!
First task, water the flowers.
Hey, you! It's so nice! It's my time!
The flowers had a good drink.
I got it! Help me! Okay.
Second task, give Tractor a bath.
Wow.
Tractor is so clean now.
Bye-bye. Open.
Third task, fire drill practice. Huh?
What happened? It's my time. Cool.
The fire is out.
Good job. It's so
All
nice.
tasks are done. Fire truck, you're amazing.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.